Greetings. It's your girl, Dr. Helen. As you know, I've been growing herbs and drying them and harvesting them. Now, here's my process of crushing them. So I put them in the grinder, the leaves, and you have to shake it sometimes to get it to go and to get the ball on top of the leaves, but it's a really pretty effective grinder. And from there, I take it, and so some of it is not as fine as I like, so I put it in my mortar and pestle to crush it even further because I like to store them in my spice jars to cook with. So here I am doing that grinding motion with the mortar and pestle. I love the wood too, it's bamboo. Now here's rosemary. And so it's a tedious process stripping these stems one by one. But I will tell you the reward is the aroma of the rosemary that you smell as you are stripping it. I do the same process with my lemon thyme. Both of them. Oh my goodness, it makes me hungry. The smell is so good. But I strip them, and then the same process, I put the leaves in the little crusher. And so here's the thyme. Getting ready to go. And sage. And nothing like having your own finished herbs that you've grown. And here are mine. Here's a collection. And I have them in my little spice jars, and I keep them in the kitchen. And when I cook, I love using my own herbs. Remember, health is wealth, and you are what you eat. Grow your own food, and let your food be your medicine. Enjoy your day. Peace.